12th board exam criteria has always been a subject of worry for all the BITSAT aspirants. And in the same year, BITSAT 2026, the same problem persists. So what is exactly this problem is all about and what we can do about it? Let's look into this video. We're going to understand about the significance of 12th board exams for our BITSAT 2026 preparation. So watch this video from beginning till the end so that you do not miss out on any important point. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel. So for most of us, this is our dream institute, which is BITS Pilani. And we are really working hard. We are studying a lot and very intensely to achieve and conquer our dream and to get admission into this prestigious institute, BITS Pilani. So what exactly and how does the 12th board actually matters and how they can play a very decisive role in our selection. So let's move on to those things. Before we proceed, there is an important thing. We are actually bringing BITSAT practice series for you and we are actually continuing. So far, 2 parts have come and very soon we are going to bring the 3rd part and the upcoming episodes as well. So like this video as much as possible and join us in the race of getting into BITS Pilani. We are preparing really hard and we will also going to assist you in your BITSAT preparation. So like this video and subscribe our channel. Now let's understand the eligibility. This is the hard rule that you cannot afford to ignore. See, for the admissions, here is these two are the basic rules, right? And you are supposed to meet these criteria. You have to achieve minimum 75% criteria, PCM or PCB aggregate, and individually you are supposed to achieve 60% each in each subject. And here the theory and practical both are counted together. So you cannot treat them separately, either this theoretical part or practical section. Now you must have taken the required subjects, physics, chemistry plus maths for BTech and physics, chemistry, maths or bio for B Pharma. So these are the some of the very important criteria that you must realize right now, that you must take your board exams very seriously. You cannot afford to underestimate board exam. It won't work like that you are only preparing for BITSAT exam but you are leaving the BITSAT board exams aside. So this won't going to work in that way. You have to take both these things seriously. How 12th boards are actually affecting your BITSAT admissions? Let's understand this. BITSAT score is the primary selection. Okay, it's just a primary selection metric. The admissions are based on BITSAT ranks, not a direct numeric weightage from board exams, right? That is the important thing. So based on your how much score you are getting, the merit list would be generated and based on that only the selection are going to matter. But even before that, there is the one filtering criteria. Which is that filtering criteria? Here is the board marks are a strict eligibility filter. Even an excellent BITSAT score cannot guarantee you or help you to convert your attempt into the admission. If you do not meet this 75 PCM aggregate criteria or 60% individual subjects criteria. So meeting both these criteria becomes extremely important. So that's why we are telling you again and again and emphasizing on this point that eligibility criteria matters the most even before you start preparing for BITSAT. So at this point of time, from this time onwards, we must treat both the exams, our board exams, 12th board exams as well as our BITSAT exams very seriously and start preparing in that direction in particular. Exception or alternative route, what is that exception then? For top performance like the board toppers, they may get direct admission under the toppers board scheme. So this is a very exceptional rule that exists. Obviously very few, only like they see the first 3 or 4 people from each board would going to end up getting the direct admission into BITS Pilani even without having to write the BITSAT exam. Okay, but rest of everyone, BITSAT exam is important and also the board exams become equally crucial. Now, as we are understanding how serious and how important these both the exams are, now at this point, we must also look into how to prepare for BITSAT and how to prepare for boards together. So we are actually removing your confusion from your mind and to assist your BITSAT preparation, our 10Q challenge team of experienced BITSians has brought to you BitSat 2026 Champions course by team of experienced Bitsians for the future Bitsians like you. And in this course, we are actually focusing on these both the aspects, the board's preparation as well as the BitSat preparation. Complete coverage of BitSat preparation are actually going to be provided to you. And also here we are going to tell you about the timetables also, like how you can prepare your board exams along with the BitSat. So that problem will also going to go away. All the subjects are getting covered: physics, chemistry, maths, logical reasoning and English. So you need not to bother about the logical reasoning and English, as well as those aspects are also getting covered. Further, all the things including recorded video lectures, live sessions, TPPs, question bank, short notes, mock test, each and everything is getting covered in this course. So go fast and get yourself enrolled in the course. Visit our website thenqchallenge.in. Below in the description box, you will find all the details, procedure for enrollment. Also, you are getting 1000 rupees of discount coupon code, which is valid just for today. So don't wait. Get yourself enrolled as quick as possible because limited seats are there. If you have any course related query, you can contact us on this number. Now let's come to the final and important thing. What are the practical implications for your 2026 plan? These are the concise action points. What exactly you can do from now onwards? See, study board seriously because BitSat syllabus is tightly aligned to 11th or 12th. This is very much thing that and very sure is that the BitSat foundation is structured and it is constructed on the NCERT guidelines only. Alright, so strong board preparation is equally like it is directly proportional to higher conceptual clarity for BitSat. So if you are really studying sincerely, properly for the board exams, definitely you will going to get benefited in your BitSat preparation as well. Concrete checklist क्या हो जाती है यहाँ पे? Here secure more than 75 in PCM first, right? And also don't gamble on BitSat alone, as we have to treat both of them together seriously. Also focus on NCERT fundamentals. Run timed BitSat mock test for board topics are strong. All right. See, all these aspects are actually getting covered in our BitSat 2026 Champions batch. So for that, below in the description box, you can find your details and get yourself started with the BitSat preparation from now onwards, because always remember that only 6 months are remaining. So you cannot take this time and treat this exam very casually. So for that purpose, we need to understand that this time is really important, and if we work hard and sincerely from today onwards, we can definitely achieve and fulfill our dreams. Fourth point is recheck that your mark sheet will show regular, not improvement and annotations that may cause some issues. So obviously you need to be really alert and aware about the improvement or some regular mark sheets. And if you have all these queries related to your mark sheets, you can contact admissions cell. You will find the helpline number on their official website. So these were the important points that we must understand and realize how significant and how crucial 12th board is for our BitSat. So hopefully you have understood each and everything in detail. We are going to bring lot of BitSat related content on our channel. So consider subscribing our channel. See you. Jai Hind. Thank you. God bless you.